Hello guys, this is Andy Leon from the web team. Today I'm just gonna spend 5 minutes talking about the new web content approval process. Here's the workflow of the process. I'm just gonna quickly go over it and then I'll show you how the application work. First, a user would log into the CWS CMS website. Then they would submit the request of the content they want to post on the website. At that point, it would go to the service manager that the user had picked. Uh, if it gets approved, it would go on to the PIO manager for a second layer of approval. If the PIO approves it as well, it would go on to the webmaster where he would do the task that was originally uh, in the description by the submitter. And once the webmaster has completed the posting, then the ticket is completed and it will be closed out and go into archive. So that's the high level workflow of how this application works. So let's jump right into the application and see how that works. So as you can see, I'm on the website. I'm going to log in as a user. And if you don't have a login, you can do a self-registration as long as you have an email domain that is either part of CWDS, CDSS, or one of the county. You will be able to register using this self-registration form. So I'm just going to log in. And at this point, when I log in, I can go to the under the home ribbon and click on the web content submission application. Uh, a side note, if you're not logged in, this will disappear. It's not going to show up on the ribbon. So once you click on web content submission application, it's going to take you to the web content submission overview. So you click on new ticket, and here you see that it automatically fills in the information for you. It knows who you are. And for my example, I'm just gonna pick myself as a service manager so I can show you how the email notification works. The PIO is gonna be Jim Turkle. There's only one person in the drop down right now. And in this case, for this demo, I'm just gonna do add request. And I have a pre-template here. So I'm just gonna copy this, copy that, paste it. So the request is to add 7.5 release notes to the training portal under this release notes section. The document path is under the G drive. It could be the path could be anything. It could be in the cloud. It could be in SharePoint. It doesn't matter really. As long as the webmaster can get to it, you should be fine. On the bottom here, before you can submit a ticket, you have to leave a comment. That's required. So I'm just gonna put something like, please approve this request. And I'm gonna submit the ticket. So because the service manager is myself, I'm gonna check my email and you'll notice that the service manager has received a email notification is saying that I have submitted a new web content approval request. I need to approve it. So I'm just gonna come into here, click on the link, and since I'm already logged in, I can automatically see the ticket. If I'm not logged in, it's gonna ask you to log in before you can see the ticket. And if you're not the approver, this button will not show up. It will only show up as a view only. But because I'm logged in as the service manager, which is myself, I can either approve or reject the request. In this case, I'm gonna say it looks good. I approve. And I'm gonna hit the approve button. At this point, once I hit the approve button, it's gonna go to Jim Turkle for the second layer of approval. But for this demo, I'm just gonna send this email notification to myself as well, just for this demonstration purpose. So as you can see, if this was the PIO, he would receive this email notification saying that he needs to take a look at this ticket as well. So he's going to click on it, take a look at it, and as you can see on here, he can read my comment. Says, okay, it looks good, I approve. Then he can see the first comment, and as the PIO, I think it also looks good, so no comment. I'm just going to approve it as well. And at this point, it would go to the webmaster or the web inbox, and any one of the webmaster can pick up this ticket and work on it. So as you can see, a new task is waiting for you to complete. I can click on this, come into here, and just take a look at the request. If I have any questions, I can just directly talk to the original submitter, which is Andy in this case. And once I have completed that, I can just leave a comment here and say task completed, and click the complete button. And at this point, the ticket went away and it went into archive. So that's pretty much the walkthrough of the web content submission application. Um, and again, this is just the minimal viable product. There's a lot of formatting that needs to happen. There might be bugs that needs to be debugged, but it's working right now. So I'm gonna let you guys use it. And if you have any questions, issues, you can just contact me directly via email or phone call. Okay, thank you.